Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're doing any type of metal work, then this little tool is super handy. This is from Noga. This is a reversible deburring tool set, and this is a really nice little piece of equipment if you have drilled any holes and you want to make sure that they are smooth on the inside and on the outside, then this is what you need right here. So it is nice and small and compact. It has this nice knurled design so you can grip it really well, and then it's very simple to use by using this little piece here to adjust the blade. And you can use this on the inside of a hole, like in a metal pipe, to remove all the little burrs and things that might catch or scratch wires or anything else that you're putting there. And you can also use it on the outside to deburr that as well around the rim of that hole. So this is a very handy little tool. We've been really happy with it as an addition to our workshop and would definitely recommend it. Super well made, definitely well constructed, and gonna hold up for a long time. And that's my point of view.